Imagine hitting the open road in a vehicle that doesn't just carry you but completely transforms the way you travel. A metallic RV, sleek, futuristic, and built like a moving fortress, isn't just a camper, it's a lifestyle on wheels. The shine of its polished body catches every ray of sunlight, turning heads wherever it goes, making you feel like you're not just driving but commanding a work of art. This isn't the kind of RV that blends in at a campground, it's the kind that makes people stop and stare, wondering what it looks like inside and who could possibly be lucky enough to own it. Now, step closer and imagine that metallic shell isn't just for looks, it's engineered for durability, strength, and modern living. You don't have to worry about wear and tear the way you would with a traditional RV. Every panel reflects craftsmanship and design, almost like the RV itself is armored against time and the elements. The metallic finish keeps it sharp and clean, while the structure is built to last decades. It's more than transportation, it's a portable fortress of comfort and freedom. Inside, the experience only gets better. Picture walking into a space where metallic design blends with luxury interiors. Sleek cabinets, smooth countertops, and lighting that reflects gently off the walls, creating an atmosphere of futuristic coziness. Whether you're making coffee in the morning, working remotely, or relaxing at night, every detail feels intentional. The metallic frame isn't cold or industrial, it's the backbone that supports a warm, modern sanctuary. It's proof that rugged strength and soft comfort can exist together in perfect balance. Imagine taking this RV deep into nature, parking beside a mountain lake, or on a desert plain under a blanket of stars. The metallic build glistens against the backdrop, making the RV itself feel like a natural part of the landscape. And the best part? You're not giving up any of the comforts of home. Climate control, smart storage solutions, and cutting-edge technology keep you living in total comfort, no matter where you park. It's freedom without compromise. And then there's the feeling of safety. The metallic construction gives you peace of mind, knowing you're traveling in something solid and secure. Wind, rain, rough roads, this RV can handle it. You can go further, explore more, and stay longer, knowing your home on wheels is built like a tank yet styled like a luxury retreat. The metallic RV isn't just about travel, it's about identity. It says you value strength, durability, and timeless design. It says you don't just follow the crowd, you redefine the journey. It's not just a vehicle, it's your personal escape pod, your portable dream home, your statement to the world that life is meant to be lived without limits. So the question is, where would you take it first? Because once you step inside a metallic RV, the road ahead isn't just a trip. It's a new way of living.